As a caregiver, it is likely you will provide physical help to the individual that you are caring for. It is important to prioritize your own safety while providing physical assistance while maintaining the safety of the individual you are caring for. In this video, you will learn how to safely use a mechanical lift to move or transfer an individual from one surface to another. By following these steps and the recommendations made by your healthcare professional, you can effectively and safely use a mechanical lift. First, we gather our equipment. Check to make sure the sling and lift are in good working order. There are many sling options available. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the divided leg sling. Always ensure that you use the sling and strap positions recommended by the healthcare professional. Make sure the working area is free from cords and clutter. Advise the individual that you're going to assist them from their bed to the wheelchair. Walk them through each step while you are doing it to ensure they are comfortable during the procedure. It is helpful to encourage the person to assist with the process as much as they can, but for the purpose of this video, we will be providing maximum assistance. If there is a hospital bed in place, bring the bed up to waist height to prevent any overreaching or injury. Position the individual so they are lying on the middle of the bed. Bend the knee furthest away from you so their foot is flat on the bed. Gently roll the person onto their side by placing one hand on their hip or knee and placing the other hand behind their shoulder. Ensure they are secure on their side. Roll up half the sling lengthwise. Place the folded sling against the bottom edge at the base of the spine and gently push the sling under. Make sure the straps are on the outside and not directly in contact with the person's skin. Roll the individual to the opposite side so they are laying on the outer part of the sling. Unroll the rest of the sling so that it's completely flat on the bed. Carefully roll the person onto their back. Make sure that they are centered on the sling. If they are not, you will need to reposition again by rolling side to side while readjusting the sling. Elevate the head of the bed to decrease strain on the person while they are being lifted. Position the leg straps according to the recommendations made by the healthcare provider. For the purpose of this video, we will be crossing the leg straps to prevent the legs from opening during the move. Bring the lift up to the bed and open the legs. Position the lift under the bed to allow the swivel bar to be above the chest. Remember not to put the brakes on the lifting unit when transferring the individual. Ensure that they do not come in contact with the overhang bar. Attach the straps using the color coding recommended by the healthcare provider. Ensure that their arms are inside the sling. Advise the person that you will start to lift them off the bed. If they are able, allow them to operate the hand control for this movement. When the person is a couple of inches above the bed, check the straps to make sure they are all attached properly. If they need readjusting, lower them back onto the bed and adjust. Once the person is lifted off the bed with straps properly connected, swing their legs over the side of the bed. Pull the lift away from the bed, then push it into position so the legs of the lift are around the wheelchair. Position the wheelchair for the transfer and ensure that the brakes are on. Lower the individual onto the wheelchair, making sure they do not come in contact with the swivel bar. They should be encouraged to use the controls if they are able. The caregiver can use a sling and/or push the legs to ensure they are properly positioned onto the wheelchair. If the person has a tilting style of manual wheelchair, the tilt function can be very helpful to make sure they are properly seated in the wheelchair. Once the individual has been lowered onto the wheelchair, the straps can be removed from the carry bar and the lift moved away to be stored until its next use. It should always be plugged in if it's a charging electric model while being stored. The sling should then be removed by lifting the person's legs one at a time and pulling the leg piece out of the side. The individual is then assisted to lean forward in the chair to allow for the sling to be removed from the back. Whenever you are using a mechanical lift, remember to use these key points. Always tell the one you are caring for what you are doing each step of the way to ensure their comfort. Always have the legs of the lift in the open position when the person is being lifted or moved. Always follow the specific recommendations provided by the healthcare provider. Always advise the healthcare provider if any issues arise with the fit of the sling or operation of the lift. For more videos like this, visit the Care Channel website.